Weathering by Seth. This is mechanical weathering at our house and by ice and water. And I think the water went into the crack and froze, so the crack widened, and then it just kept repeating. There's an example of mechanical weathering in the pasture by our house. It is mechanical weathering caused by animals. I think that our cows walk to water in the morning and evening, walk back to graze all on the same path, so it wore it down. In front of our house, there is an example of chemical weathering, the rusty car. I think the paint wore off, and then the water got on the metal, so it turned rusty. And the iron combines with the oxygen, and that's kind of what makes it like that. This is an example of chemical weathering by our house. And the water went into a very tiny crack, then it froze so the crack got widened. Then it happened every winter until it made a huge crack in the rock. In our field, abrasion happened. Water went down the lowest land spots and slowly washed away dirt till it was a little creek. In the pasture by our house, we had an old silo, and then mechanical weathering happened. I think the weight of the silo pushed down on its base, so then a small crack formed. Then water got into it and it froze and made it bigger.